Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you're watching the pre-market show. And the markets remain bearish, and US yesterday fell the worst since June. So things are looking again gloomy. So if you look at the charts, and let us look at the US markets and how things have happened over there. S&P 500 down by 2.1 percentage, Nasdaq down by 2.66 percentage, and Dow Jones is down by 1.9 percentage. So the things are looking pretty bearish, and you can see the amount of fall in the US markets. And obviously US VIX shot up by 15.6 percentage, so volatility is shooting through the roof. And this downward channel, which we can see in case of VIX, has been broken today by one go. So things are looking again slightly bearish, like I told you. So US markets ended in the red, and currently the Asian markets are also trading in the red, is what we are seeing. Hong Kong markets down by 0.9 percentage, continues to fall further. Japanese market down 1.17 percentage. Chinese market is down today by 0.6 percentage, and Korean markets are also down by 0.8 percentage. So US markets down, Asian markets down. Only hope today is that the US futures are trying to recover slightly, but that is just by 0.2 percentage. S&P 500 futures are up. Nasdaq is up 0.3 percentage, and Dow Jones up by 0.2 percentage. So nothing significant, but at least still there is some kind of recovery. So things are looking not so good, and this was expected when there was such a massive rally. The correction is supposed to be equally strong. And coming to crude oil prices, it is slightly inching higher. It is at 91.13, and if this continues, if this trend line is broken, we can expect the crude oil prices to shoot higher, and that can bring more bearishness to the global markets. Coming to our currency, it is at 79.84, but dollar index is at I think it's very close to its all-time high, just a few points away. So if that is the case, then we can expect more bearishness in the equity markets, because both of them are inversely correlated. So we have to keep an eye out on dollar index. And apart from that, all the sectors in the US ended in the red. Out of S&P 500 to 480 stocks ended in the red. So nothing to say much over there. The SGX Nifty is showing a major gap down in the markets, but it is trying to recover ever so slightly because of the US markets. US futures are trying to recover, but it is showing 17,426, and our markets here closed around 17,490. So 70 to 80 points gap down is still on the cards for our markets. So we have to wait and see how the things happen, and how much of a gap down there is in the market. Coming back to our markets, we know that people are heavily short in the market, and every rise is a selling opportunity right now. So in these times, there could be a sharp pullback, there should be a sharp recovery, but that is, again, I have told you yesterday, that is not the time to buy. You should be at least, if you are planning to buy, wait for a second pullback, because now if there is a pullback, people will sell it further, and the markets will go down even further. So as and when the trend reverses, there should be some consolidation, and then if it breakouts, that is the time to actually buy. Right now, that is not the time to buy, because two huge candles, red candles, and the momentum looks strong, the bears look strong. So until and unless we find some kind of exhaustion in the selling pressure, we will not go long in the markets. Today's level is 17,450, should have been taken as a strong support, but that is already broken. So going down, we will expect 17,220 to hold as a major support for today. Not expecting this level to break today itself, but if that is broken, that will be again a major sign of bearishness. On the upside, there is nothing much to say. 17,500 to 550 you can keep as a resistance on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty, 38,000 should act as a very strong support. 38,000, if that is broken, 37,630, this is the level you should be watching out for. If this is also broken, again the markets will go down big. And on the upside, 38,300 to 500 you can keep as a resistance. And I think till this expiry, that is until Thursday, markets are likely to remain bearish. So maybe if there is any recovery or any reversals, that can happen in the next week. So that is the situation right now. Things are looking weak, and we have some data as well from the German point of view. So Germany's PMI data is going to be announced around 1 p.m. You can watch this out, because it's the German markets which are dragging the markets down this time. So not only Germany, there is the data coming in from a lot of countries like the European area, then the UK as well as US. So all of them are going to announce its manufacturing and services PMI data. So those will be, all of them will be discussed in the post market show. So you can watch it to get some more clarity on that. Until that time, it looks bearish. So keep in mind, there is no point of going into a bullish momentum right now. And apart from that, that is all for now. Thank you for watching.